In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Google Ads call extension not showing. This is a common problem, but with a few systematic steps, you can quickly identify and resolve it. Start by navigating to the Google Ads homepage. If you haven't been there recently, you can type Google Ads into your preferred browser or go directly to the web address. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you sign in to the correct account, the one associated with the ads you're currently working on. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads dashboard. This is your main hub for managing campaigns and accessing all the tools and insights you need. From here, click on the campaign section. This area shows the details of all your active campaigns and is where you manage assets like call extensions for each campaign. Next, locate the Assets tab and click on it. The Assets tab is where all ad extensions are managed, including call extensions. Here, you'll get a complete view of your ad components. To dig deeper, click on columns in the menu above and then select Modify Columns. This option lets you customize what information is displayed, ensuring you include the details relevant to call extensions and performance tracking. Within Modify Columns, look for All Columns. This will show you the full range of data you can add to your view. Focus on call details. Clicking this reveals important metrics related to your call extensions, such as performance and interactions. Finally, make sure phone calls are selected. This ensures all relevant data about call extensions is visible and helps you understand why they might not be showing on certain devices or at certain times. By completing these steps, you've now highlighted the key information you need. Often, issues with call extensions are simply due to data not being visible or metrics being overlooked. Troubleshooting systematically like this helps you pinpoint the problem and ensures your ads run exactly as intended. Remember, patience and careful checking are very important when dealing with ad extensions. If your call extension still isn't showing, repeat the steps or explore Google Ads support and community forums for additional guidance. Following this process will give you the clarity you need to get your call extensions working properly and maximize your ad performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your Google Ads call extensions back up and running smoothly so you can reach more potential customers effectively.